Less than a year ago, internet sensation and dub smash queen Maine Mendoza became Eek Bulaga's Yaya Dub, was paired to Alden Richards, and became one half of the phenomenal on-screen split-screen love team, Aldub.
Phenomenal si Maine Mendoza. Nag-audition yan June of last year. Wala pang isang taon siya. And look at where she is right now.
Ang galing how she personified herself, how she packaged herself in social media. And then, cute pa siya, diba? And again, you know, she has this very endearing look that crosses all social classes. I mean, pwede siyang gawing yaya, pero actually, pwede rin siyang gawing super social, diba? She's, you know, she can do all that stuff, you know, contortionist facial expressions. So you can really make her do anything.
It is the endorsement story of the year, of 2015 and 2016, no? Practically unknown, discovered. That's the story of the Filipina, you know? May talent, na bata, na discover, ayun na, big stage. That's what the Filipinos see with Maine Mendoza. That's why she's working.
The Aldub love team's popularity became so big and was unheard of in Philippine TV history. So, Maine Mendoza's face is literally everywhere. How did she do it? In less than a year, Maine got a whopping 29 commercial endorsements for a fast food chain.
Alden, di ko alam na dadating ka.
Alam mo wala, pero meron!
Cleaning bleach, astringent,
Linis!
shampoo, sanitary napkin, and the list goes on.
Diyos ko, yun lang lipstick niya. Hindi ba naubos yung shade ng lipstick na yun of a certain brand? Yung kanyang pabango. Diyos ko, naubos. Sabi ko, totoo ba yan? Tinanong ko doon sa ano, totoo ras. Nung first day ng shooting namin, sinabi ko kay May na ganyan, how do you feel about all this? Direct natatakot ako kasi ang bilis. Pag mabilis, nakakatakot.
Celebrity. Hindi pa rin ako hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala.
She's one half of a big love team, Aldub. I think she's a stronger of the two as an endorser. I mean, syempre me, I'm a girl, no? But I think Maine has a stronger following. I don't know if that's the real statistic. She has a broader appeal.
What makes Maine an effective product endorser?
Number one, maganda siya pero hindi siya gandang movie star. Yung ganda niya is ganda ng isang tunay na tao. Yung number two, yung ganda niya sa personalidad niya. She has a very striking personality. Number three is that hindi naman siya nag-aartista para buhayin niya ang pamilya niya at saka yung para iangat ang estado ng aking angkan. Mayaman siya. Number four, adjustable siya sa tao. Gusto siya ng tao dahil totoo siya. Dahil nga hindi siya laking showbiz, wala siyang kapekan ng showbiz. Saka number five, alam mo, mapagkumbabayan taong yan. She can adjust to everybody.
She's like a chameleon. She can adapt to the audience. Kung kausap niya, you interview her in a, you know, business talk show, she can talk the talk. If you want her to be kwela and to make patawa, to do comedy, she can do it. You know, she can pretty much do a lot of things with her character.
Kung may sikat, kunin mong endorser. No, that makes sense. That's logical. It's okay. But there is also the idea of longevity. Doon ako hindi pa sure. I love Maine Mendoza. I love Alden Richards as artistas. And then now as endorsers, I still have to see how long the bandwagon will last.
Hindi siya prefab, hindi siya produkto ng marketing. She is a discovery. At alam ng tao na, sense ng tao na totoo ito. Hindi ito binihisan, hindi ito diniscover at tinuruan. I see is what she really is. And that matters a lot in advertising. Honesty. You cannot fake that. Now, how long will it last? God knows. It's not only for her to determine, it's the people handling her.
So, celebrity endorser is Alden, I own EDSA Richards. Alden has been in showbiz for a few years already, yet nothing prepared him for the superstardom that came his way last year via the Aldub phenomena.
Adaptation!
Si Alden is yung gusto mong kaibiganin. Unang-una kasi napaka-decenting tao niya. Ang dating niya sa is such a gentleman. Si Alden, walang angas niya, mabait ang dating niya. At alam ng tao na pag tinignan mo si Alden, may kwento rin siya behind him na all the years na nag-struggle siya bago niya na-achieve yung fame na nasa kanya na ngayon.
Very well-mannered. You know, he's the type of boy na you would want your daughter to date. Yung ganon. Yung talagang packaged. in every way. Not only is he very good looking, he seems like a good boy, he's got his values about him, well brought up, well spoken.
It radiates from your personality. You can see that Alden is willing to do anything to help out. No, that's what I think Alden's appeal. Especially for example, yung tita ko talagang magpapakamatay para kay Alden, no? Again, yung puso niya, nakikita mo na mabait na tao to si Alden. So when you see an artista, when you see a talent, am I drawn to that person? That's what makes endorsers work, and that's how you should choose endorsers.
As one half of the phenomenal Aldub, Alden also got a slew of commercial endorsements and more. In less than a year, Alden got a mind-boggling total of 32 commercial endorsements for a fast food chain, laundry detergent,
Happy Explosive Menthol Red, our longest cooling ever. And Happy Classic
Toothpaste.
White, thick manang...
shampoo, processed food, among others.
May mga produkto na siya lang at may mga produkto kasama niya si Maine. Pero yung mga produktong kanya lang, makikita mo na may branding na rin tungkol sa pagkatao. Ang kanyang image ngayon is like another Ryan Agoncillo na image ng isang dissenting tao, isang dissenting lalaki na edukado.
You can't take that away. I mean, it's really the team that broke these records. And on his own now, syempre, now separately, they will still be successful endorsers on their own.
I'm happy for Alden na-discover na okay pala siya, pogi pala siya, may hatak pala siya sa tao. I think Alden is an effective endorser. And you can almost be sure that Alden is a humble person.
So what makes Alden a shoo-in as our ang pinaka?
Mukhang mayaman si Alden, di ba? Pero taga-Calamba, Laguna siya. Hindi mo you get the irony, okay? Irampa mo yan sa Rockwell, irampa mo yan sa Shangri-La Blend. Pero irampa mo rin yan sa mga kasuot-suotan ng Laguna, okay? Blend pa rin siya. Yun nga, nang-threatening yung appeal na.
I think, obviously, hindi natin matatanggal, napakagwapo talaga. Napaka-cute talaga ni Alden. So, even to older women, even to men, to kids, to, you know, to married people, you cannot deny how cute he is. Yung cute, hindi yung wow, Adonis or whatever, but more of the cute with the dimple and all that.
Ipakita lang niya yung dimples na benta na siya eh. Yung isa-isa niyang dimple, pakita lang niya yun, bebenta na siya. And that matters a lot kasi matagal nang walang ganon.
To me, the true test of an artista endorser, that is the true test. Yung hindi ka nagsasawa sa kanila. Kapag ang isang artista, decades, sikat, no? For years, may in-endorse, tas may in-endorse na may iba. Nakita mo siya everywhere, and yet okay ka pa rin. Yun ang magaling na endorser. Si Alden kasi bago pa lang no? Wala pa nga isang taon So makikita natin yan. So kailangan na galingan ni Alden.
Grabe siya.
There you have it. Wow, what a list. Our top 10 ang pinaka mabentang kapuso celebrity endorsers. Many thanks, of course, to our wonderful guest panelistas. This has been your host, Rovilson Fernandez. Guys, like us, add us up. We got a Facebook, we got a Twitter, we got an Instagram account. You gotta let us know what episodes you want to see. This is your show. Next week, get your pens and notepads handy as we continue listing down the top 10 of anything and everything that's mabenta. Dito lang sa paboritong Lista ng Bayan, nag-iisang ang pinaka.